Today is a gate on a rental house. You've seen this rental house. 1, 2, 3, possibly 4 videos have been filmed at this house. And this will be the 5th. It's a side gate. The property manager, he attempted to make some repairs. Called me up and said it's not repairable, just build a whole new gate. This morning I was finishing up at another job and I'm kind of just flying this week. So it's going to be quick. Don't expect any major feats of engineering. It will be functional. It'll look decent. But the most important thing is it's got to be done in 2 hours. That includes the time it takes to measure it out, go get the materials, come back, build it, take the photos, send the photos off, and get out. So that's the plan, a 2-hour fence gate. In theory, it should be a piece of cake, but there's always something different, something goofy. So let's go take a look at it and build a gate. Okay, here it is. I mean, obviously we got some interesting stuff going on there. It's actually not that bad. Got some 2 solid posts. This one's a little rotten, but I'm not replacing that. I'm building the gate. I understand what the heck what is wrong with this one, other than it's just sticky and needs to be adjusted. So I'm going to reuse the gate hardware. There's absolutely nothing wrong with the gate hardware. It just really needs to be adjusted. You can probably... This is a little hokey here. Apparently they have 2 teeny tiny little dogs. I don't know, that's a tiny little... I don't know if a dog could fit under that. Maybe a ferret or a rat. This hinge pin could get knocked in. Alright, well, we're gonna make a gate. Here's my workshop. This is my tool trailer. And right out back, I have a little workbench set up with the old gate. And I'm building the new gate off of the old gate, but adding and subtracting the correct dimensions so that it fits the extremely out of square opening. There's about a 1 7/8 inch difference from the bottom to the top. So I'm just rebuilding this gate with slightly different dimensions. Yes, I'm starting to see the difference big time in the 20 volt XR. So I brought that out today to whip out this gate. Alrighty, here we are at the gate opening, and since the opening is so goofed up and it's out of square from multiple directions, I'm going to hang it and then continue my way across and just be eyeballing things as far as the spacing. And the last one I may rip down to be a perfect fit. So first thing I notice is one of my screws needs to come out. Down here another one needs to come out, so I'll relocate that over on both pickets here. Oh, I forgot to put one in. It's another shot. I've got the bottom spaced up, and I also have good use of the latch, keeping the spacing there. And I'm going to pre-drill all 6 holes as it sits, and then drive the existing, or the old lag bolts right on in. So good. So now down here I need to boost this spacing out a little bit, and I'm just gonna put my square in and pop that out just about a heavy eighth to a light 1/4 of an inch, and then do the same thing on this bottom. Okay, so here's the gate. I may put a little string line from this side to right here to get a nice consistent, or I may just put a straight edge. I may just set a 2x4 up there, just so I get this climb perfect. It is a rental house. No one's ever going to pay attention to this, so I don't want to spend too much time making this thing look like the Taj Mahal. There's my straight edge. Goes up to the top there, comes down at this angle. Now what you do is you hold the picket upside down, and you just hold it right up there, mark it, cut it, flip it back over, and screw it in. This is how it looks. Remember, I got that board. It's the same board I used on the end to start the gate. And that'll continue across and continue that line up. Here's a quick look. Looks like we're going to hit that just perfect. I'm going to use 1.5 more pickets. So the last one will get ripped, and then we'll put this cross brace in for the latch. Barely see the sun now. There's the gate. There's the gate. Now these gray screws that I use, it's because the fence is going to end up looking like this before too long, and then those gray screws will blend right in. There you go. Can't really see well, but that is a fast and dirty way to build a gate for your rental house. Got it, son.